Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Certified YouTuber. In this video we are going to see the camera comparison between Realme 7 Pro and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So let's get started. It is not too easy to pick a winner between these phones, but I can really see this. Then the cameras of the Realme 7 Pro are marginally better than the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So if you want to buy a camera phone in 2020, I think Realme 7 Pro is a better choice. Also in this phone you can get a Super 2.2 charger, which is 65-watt charging. If you want to see that video, the link is in the description, and you can also see it in the I button. So thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. So then finally, peace out.